we're trying to fix, okay, they call this thing, is it gazebo or something? That's how I see it online, right? So this is the spot whereby we can just sit out apart, since we've been doing the barbecue thing. We have this other chair that we go to the beach with, or whenever Jothan wants to go for his football, we can use those chairs. Do you know those mobile chairs? You can use it to sit down. So that's what we've been using anytime we are doing our barbecue. So we felt, okay, we should build this gazebo. Is it gazebo or something? I don't know the name. So we are building it, and then we'll be putting chairs so we can actually sit down. It can be like a proper place. It can also serve like you're having a mini party. People can sit down, so it's going to be covered. So this is just the beginning. So my husband started the whole thing. We started it before we traveled. So in fact, the night before we traveled, he was looking for a piece of the iron. So I think one of the pieces was inside another iron, so he had to loosen everything. So he mounted this. He already coupled this one, so now he mounted this on his own, I think just yesterday, because we came back yesterday. So he mounted this. So now I'm assisting. Then we'll couple this, and we'll put the tent, then the side covers. So this is us. So now in Canada, or when you are abroad, you have to learn the DIY system, else you'll be paying a lot of artisans money that you should be using for something else, right? Because you see all this fixing, nailing, building, repairing, all those repairs, they cost a lot. These people are not joking with their prices, because of course skills are highly rated. They're unlike back home, whereby skills are underrated. Here skills are highly rated, they earn well, they get paid for their time, and they are using good equipment, good tools, right? They're not managing anything, because of course you can sue them if you don't do your stuff very well, and it causes harm or accidents in the house, right? So of course they'll be using good equipment, good tools, or whatever it is they are using to fix that thing you need. So this is us just trying to set up.
Mentioned that you're allowed to do work on your house by yourself.
Yes, so you're allowed to do the work on your house
you
by
cannot
yourself.
call anybody to do work for you unless the person is a business.
Honestly, so you're allowed to do the work if it has to do with your house, not
By
someone's
yourself.
house, by yourself. Not like you are renting a house, you are now trying to do DIY. No go spoil landlord house. So if it's your personal house, you can do it by yourself,
So
because now you get calm.
You cannot call.
Yes, so
you must call business.
you must call business. So that is it. So let's just see. So this is how far we've gone. We're trying to drill the floor. I think my husband needs to put some nuts and screw them into the ground. So this is the part where I'm not needed. So I think the part where I'll be needed will soon come up. So okay, let's see how this comes by. So we've coupled some parts and we'll do the rest. So these are some irons still on the ground, which will, I think this will stay up above where the cover, like call it the tent.
That's it, pergola.
The pergola, right?
Yeah, pergola.
I'm actually just learning these words. So I know this thing is called gazebo, right? Gazebo. I don't know. Anyway, Sha, I don't know what type of word is that, if it's an English word. Anyway. All right, so this is the remaining iron that we'll be fixing. So I'll be making a video when we are done. So this is, we thank God we have the security light that can actually help us while we finish this work. And this is about 9 p.m. or after 9. I should have gone to bed. Usual meal by now, I should be reading my Bible, but I have to. I'm giving him moral support, because of course, who else will be taking pictures here? So when he's done, but you know one thing, I'm just thinking, I'm skeptical about decoration, because before you know it, it's winter and it's going to snow. But I'm gonna just put up some little things like lights, bulb, just to make it, light up. Had it been we don't used to have snow in Canada and it's just cold, of course I'm going to set up like a very nice decor. Anyways, let's just see how this comes together.